This is our new product. It's an electric motor, but at the same time, it's also endo motor and implant motor. Below, I will show you how it's working. This is the electric motor mode. If connected with 1 to 5 control angle, it will work as high-speed handpiece. And if work with 1 to 1 control angle, it will be work as low-speed handpiece. If work with 1 to 4.2, it will be the function of sterile tooth extraction. You can see that we have saline water supply. If work with 20 to 1 implant control angle, it will be implant function. See, 20 to 1 implant surface. If work with 4 to 1 endo control angle, it will be endo motor function. First, we can switch all the function from here. This is electric motor. Under electric motor mode, we have slow speed, stride handpiece, high speed, polish and stride, and the gear ratio can choose from here. 1 to 5, 1 to 1, and 1.4.2. We mainly use these three functions. And under 1 to 5, you can see that the maximum speed can reach 200,000. And then switch press here can adjust to endo motor function. Under endo motor mode, we already preset most of the famous brands of the files. Of course, if you don't use this kind of files, we can add the files that you are using. This is per taper. You can see that they have all the files for per taper. Each file already preset the speed and torque, so it will save you a lot of time to adjust the speed and torque anymore. Of course, if you want to adjust the speed and torque, you can also adjust it by pressing here and the torque from here. And this is the movement of the files: auto stop, auto reverse, reciprocation. And then I will show you reciprocation mode. This is reciprocation. See, it will be like this, reciprocating. And then let's see the high speed function. For high speed, the water not coming from the saline water, it will come from the bottle here. So it's internal irrigation. Electric motor 1 to 5, I think. Water. To turn on the water from here. See, you can see the mix. Very powerful. And then this is low speed. Adjust from here, 1 to 1. This is for polishing. Okay. And this is 1 to 4.2. This is for tooth extraction. Now we can use the water from saline water. We need to turn on the water from here. So this is for sterile tooth extraction. You can see that the water comes from the saline water, not come from the bottle. And then will be for implant function. Switch the function from here. This is 20:1 implant control angle. You can switch the drills from here. All different kind of drill to finish the whole implant process. Adjust the speed from here. Adjust the torque from here. And adjust the water from here. 5 gear of the water. And press here on and off. Long press will be the water volume. And then here is the reverse and forward. Alright, okay, we can start. See, the water comes and then we can use. Okay, finish.